Welcome to itbc Now. I'm Clara Chu. Jade Zhang and Marima from MIXMARVEL are at the studio today. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can we please start with an introduction of each of you?
Yeah. Hello everyone. I'm Jade, founder and CEO of MIXMARVEL. I have been working in game industry for over 13 years. I started my career in Ubisoft as an engineer and participated in many AAA games. And since 2017, I devote myself into understanding how to combine the blockchain technical and the traditional games. And I'm good at designing the token economy.
Hi everyone, I'm Marima, and I'm co-founder of MIXMARVEL. So it's an honor to be here to meet our Korean friends. And as Jade introduced, MIXMARVEL is a publishing platform and a high-quality content community.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very nice to be here. Thank you.
Welcome. All right. Could you please introduce the different economic logic behind the three games that are listed on the MIXMARVEL?
So as you have already seen in the previous video, so actually the token economy is combined by three parts. The first part is trading. So in your trading market, you can exchange, you can trade the dragons. So you can you will be benefited by the trading, by the spillover value is the first one. And the second one is you can improve the value through racing. So if you spend more time and through the gameplay, your items, your dragons will be appreciated in the future.
Okay.
And the third one is, as you have already improved and you have selected some of the highly praised valued items, you can set them for battle. So through the battlefield, the dragons or the items will earn money back for you.
I see.
Okay, so this is the main three parts in the game.
I see.
Okay.
And there are three core technologies of MIXMARVEL, right? Which helps developers to release blockchain technologies to the platform, blockchain games to the platform. What are the three core technologies that you have?
Okay, the three core techniques. One is the whole set SDK, and the second is our CS cloud system, which is for blockchain reversed traditional games. And the third one is our layer 2 solution, which we call Rocket Protocol. And this is for serving the problem of blockchain speed and user experience. It's a light competitive gaming, and you can invite your friends or you can compete with other massive users.
I see.
Right. So actually, within this game, you will have the same token economy as previous Hyper Dragon, which is trading, racing, and battle. But here we add add another metric on this token economy, which is investing. And the Ground Hunter video is the first massive multiplayer online blockchain game.
Okay.
And the game players, they will have the same gaming experience as traditional game, but at the same time, they can be incentivized by token. So like you like playing the game too, right?
I do.
But currently, you can only experience the spiritual rewarded or spiritual. You can only enjoy the spiritual side.
Yes.
But in our Ground Hunter, you can earn money too if you're really good at it.
So have to play that game.
Oh, we'll show you later.
Okay. How is it possible that hundreds of new games are created every day by users? Because it's normally the developers create the game, but how come by the users?
Okay. Yeah, it seems like you look into our project quite a lot.
I did.
Yeah, it's a very important question actually.
Yes.
Because as Jade is, the whole team actually, we are very professional in gaming industry. So we abstracted all the logic of game into 4 basic modules,
Yes.
which are item, character, rules, and scenarios. So it can be highly digitalized. So that is why we can develop a whole set of SDK and the whole developing system. So even as I am just a common user, I only need to pull and drag in our developing modules so that I can create the game by my own. Yeah, so for example, the race game.
Yes.
So like you can build up, you can use the car as a type you like, and you can design how the race road is. You can design how the rules is, and you can invite your friends to join.
Okay.
So that is how we can do more consumer content generated.
Okay, so users can participate, really like participate in the
Yes,
game.
exactly.
Yeah, interesting. Jade Zhang has 13 years of experience in game industry. What made you interested in blockchain, and why did you integrate blockchain technology to your game platform?
So yeah, as Jade says, she's quite experienced in developing
Yes.
and in publishing. So actually during the process, we noticed that every time as the technology developed, there will be a big boost on in the gaming industry. So like we transfer from computer game to web game, and then to the mobile game. Actually, every time there is a revolution, and every time there is a huge chance. And we believe that blockchain technology will bring up another significant boost in this industry. This is the first reason. And the second reason is actually there are a lot of pain points in the traditional game industry nowadays.
Right.
Like the published channels, they earn most of the profit, from 70% to 90%. It's a little bit ridiculous, isn't it? And the developers and the content producers, they do not have any intentions to produce good content anymore, and it's quite difficult for them to survive. And also the big factories, they are facing the copyright problem and the high cost of pitching the customers. So actually blockchain can kind of solve, not all of them, but they can solve the problems quite a lot. So that is why the whole team we devote to blockchain since 2017. It's been already over 2 years for them to take a deep dive in understand how to do the token economy designing, and how to convert the blockchain, how to connect the traditional developers. So I think that is basically the reasons.
Okay, well, thank you. Thanks for the interview today. Do you guys want to wave to the camera to say bye together? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
안녕.